Oh, I really like this truck. It's a 79 F100 Ford Ranger short bed. Just the style, the look, the colors, and it's body off frame restored. I mean, meticulously restored. The story is it's a one family owned car. They restored the car for their father, and then he passed away, and it's still fresh as can be. I was told it won at the Ford F-100 Supernationals last year as well. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There'll be a QR code on your screen through the whole video. You can scan it at any time. It'll bring you directly to this truck. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I'm buying Chevelles, Camaros, Superbirds, all these hot cars. I love this truck, and it's every bit as nice as our nicest car here. Um, yeah, the hood is absolutely straight. There's one little rock chip there, a tiny one that's touched up. There's not a ripple, no issue, all clean all the way down the side. It's a mirror. It's absolutely straight. No dents, no damage. This is not just a buddy painted it for the guy. I mean, this is a professional show quality paint and body, just outstanding. Ah, the jambs are just as slick as the outside. Shuts like new. Again, it's a short bed. There's a little nick in the paint right there, but this is buffed out like glass. The tailgate is polished like glass. It's all straight. It's not beat up. The top of the bed here is all straight. Look at down here behind the tire. You see the reflection of my hand? It's glass. Underneath here, I'm rubbing it. Spotless. And the two-tone, the Ranger has the extra trim, so it gives it the two-tone, the red, and it's metallic silver. Really nice combination. So yeah, just paint and body, fit and finish, outstanding. And it looks like all the trim has probably been replaced. This is all beautiful. The little black in between is not peeling. The door handle's shiny, the rain gutter, the mirrors, the windshield looks new. All the gaskets look fresh. You have chrome bumpers. The anodized grille all looks beautiful. It has chrome around the headlights, the lenses, the grille itself is all chrome. It's all beautiful, just sparkling up here. The Ford emblems, the antenna, the Ranger emblem, all of that is just fantastic. Now it's sitting on some really wide American torque thrust wheels. Look how wide and how fat the BFGoodrich tires are. I think that was a really nice choice for this truck, and I like the size of them. They're 15 by I don't know what, how wide they are, but they're nice and fat. They fill it up nicely. Yeah, even the inner lip is glossy and polished. And then back here, same thing as the front. Bumpers chromed and all the trim, all shiny and straight. Got a little surprise for you on the interior, and we'll check out that 351 under the hood. Good old-fashioned tailgate. Makes the old tailgate sounds. So the latches and hardware hinges are all painted. And then look inside this thing. This is an original bed that was all repainted, nice and glossy. Looks like he used it for hauling pillows or cotton balls or something. This is nice. Good old tailgate. I like those. You have a tailgate party, you got to do it in an old F-100. Trucks sure are popular now. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. The jambs, like I said, they are slick as can be, and so is the interior metal. Door panels have been replaced. The dash area is in beautiful shape, all clean. Look at the bezels. Now the Ranger comes with the wood grain. All nice looking gauges. Heater control panel, fresh. Pioneer stereo. Dash pad must be new. All of this is mint. I don't think I've looked in there yet. Oh yeah, new glove box liner. Kick panels are carpeted, all nice fresh carpet with matching mats. Now this is the little surprise. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. It smells like leather in here because this is a premium. This is a high-grade leather. It smells like leather. It's soft. The seats are very comfortable. You can put 3 people in here, or you got a nice armrest. And then the seat flips forward, and it's all carpeted behind there, and there's 2 6x9 speakers in boxes. We've also got retractable shoulder belts. You got the working light. You got a cloth headliner. Visors are redone. The mirror looks new. Then we have a nice, beautiful steering wheel on the column there. So absolutely pristine interior. Boy, those jambs are nicest I've seen. Oh, there's speakers in the door panels too, behind the grills. Yeah, gentleman I bought it from, he's the one who took it and had shown it. He bought it from the original family. This motor is a 351 Windsor, and it is rebuilt, and it's got some performance upgrades to it. Up on top, there's an Edelbrock Performer intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke, Ford Racing air cleaner and valve covers, nice spark plug wire holders. You have some coated headers, MSD ignition. And just look around. Look how neat and clean and tidy. It's all painted silver. And all the components are fresh, and the hoses. The battery is properly secured. There's the horns. All this is fresh and clean. Chrome alternator. So we got power steering. We got air conditioning and power brakes. You have the Ford washer fluid bottle. Even the original bottle jack has been restored. The squirters are hooked up. And look under the hood. Look at the hinges. Just look all around. It's show quality. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's a spunky little 351 there. Michael's going to show you how nice it operates. We'll see in a little bit.
Yeah, this 351 sounds super healthy. Really digging everything about this truck. As soon as I saw it in the showroom, I was just, we locked eyes, we were in love. Seat feels great. When you get in the cab, you can smell leather. It's great, I absolutely love it. Nice to have a little armrest too. Very easy power steering. You got the Bluetooth stereo. Just little creature comforts. Oh yeah, absolute winner. Let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, we're at 60 miles an hour. Like I said, strong running engine, nice and smooth, consistent, clear across the power band. I can't find one thing I do not like about this truck. Absolutely not. Front end feels great. Suspension feels healthy as could be. See how it goes down the road. I mean, honestly, I didn't expect anything else. Like, it just has that quality of feel to it. You can see exactly what I'm talking about if you come down and take it for a test drive yourself, which is you're welcome to do. Actually encouraged. And as always, check out all the details at volocars.com.
I was just talking off camera about how much I love this truck. I'm not fooling you guys. This thing's awesome. So it was body off the frame restored. All the steering and suspension completely rebuilt. The brake system was completely redone. It has disc in front. It's got a nice custom dual exhaust system with a crossover pipe and Flowmaster mufflers. The fuel tank was replaced. Under the cab is all clean metal painted black. Under the box is all gloss red, beautiful metal. The whole chassis is painted up real nice. It's not just rebuilt under there, it's detailed. You look up at the motor, it's all spotless. It has a C4 automatic transmission that looks spotless and functions beautifully. And then the rear end, all that's painted, clean, functions very nicely. Even the shop said this was a really nice truck. It pretty much flew through inspection. And that back window is crystal clear. That might be new as well. Cadmium bolts under the engine compartment too. I don't know if you noticed that. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your 79 F100 Ranger delivered home. If you need financing, insurance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.